English Galician. I will have.
terei,
Future of.
ter,
Closing parenthesis. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, you superstar. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Ready to level up your Galician? Today we unlock the future of to have in English Galician, using simple examples, rhythm drills, and laughs. Let's go. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll say future promises like a pro. Speak out loud and enjoy the ride. Topic: the future of the verb to have.
ter,
You'll learn, I will have.
terei,
You, sing, will have.
terás,
He will have.
él terá,
She will have.
ella terá,
We will have.
teremos,
You, plural, will have.
vos teredes,
They will have.
terá,
Forms in a flash. Repeat after me. I'll leave tiny pauses so you can echo. Keep it light and punchy. I will have.
terei,
You, sing, will have.
terás,
He will have.
él terá,
She will have.
ella terá,
We will have.
teremos,
You, plural, will have.
vos teredes,
They will have.
terá,
Base verb, to have equals.
ter,
Comedy mini dialogue. Listen to this silly future plan and shadow both roles. Yes, you can be everyone. A. Tomorrow I will have snacks.
terei,
Galetas, so don't panic. B. Perfect, I will have coffee. Wait, you, sing, will have it.
terás,
Café listo, right? A. Chill, he will have cups.
él terá,
Vasos, because he owns 1,000. B. And she will have plates.
ella terá,
Pratos, because she collects them like trading cards. A. We will have music.
teremos,
Musica, my playlist is legally unstoppable. B. You all will have VIP seats.
vos teredes,
Sitio na primera fila, no elbows needed. A. Finally, they will have dessert.
terá,
Sobremesa, unless the cake vanishes mysteriously. B. Moral. To have is power.
ter,
A poder, and cake is destiny. Rhythm drill. Clap or tap your desk. Feel the stress and let the future stick. Beat it out. Terei. I will have.
terei,
Te Ross. You, sing, will have.
terás,
Te Ra. He will have.
él terá,
Te Ra. She will have.
ella terá,
Teremos. We will have.
teremos,
Terei. You, plural, will have.
vos teredes,
Tehran. They will have.
terá,
Chain chant.
terei, terás, él terá, ella terá, teremos, vos teredes, terá.
Culture tip. Camino hack. Here's a real-life phrase you might hear in Galicia. On the Camino de Santiago, hosts may say, tomorrow, you, plural, will have soup. Maña.
Vos teredes.
Caldo Gallego. Planning rooms? We will have beds after 5 inches. Quote.
Teremos.
Camas después das 5. Group reassurance. Don't worry, they will have everything ready. Quote.
Terá.
Todo listo. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the solution after a beat. Q1. How do you say, I will have, in Galician? A.
Terei.
Q2. Translate, you, sing, will have. A.
Terás.
Q3. He will have time. ___ tempo. A.
El terá.
Tempo. Q4. She will have the answer. ___ a resposta. A.
Ela terá.
A resposta. Q5. We will have coffee. ___ cafe. A.
Teremos.
Cafe. Q6. You, plural, will have tickets. ___ entradas. A.
Vos teredes.
Entradas. Q7. They will have a car. ___ uncoach. A.
Terá.
Uncoach. Bonus. The base verb, to have, is what? A.
Ter.
Your turn challenge. Make it personal and short, your brain loves it. Say 3 promises about tomorrow using
Terei. Terás. Teremos.
example. Tomorrow I will have time. Quote.
Mañá terei tempo.
Quote. Now a group line and a third-person line using
Vos teredes. Terá. El terá.
or.
Ela terá.
Example.
Vos teredes.
Unha hora libre.
Ela terá.
As Ch.10. Goodbye and keep going. You crushed it, future tense unlocked. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Terei. Terás. El terá. Ela terá. Teremos. Vos teredes. Terá.
And the base.
Ter.
For more lessons, drills, and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.